I hate to be so trite, but I use Twitter, relentlessly.
Why is that? I can't figure out why people are using Twitter so much.
Do you use Twitter or Jaiku?
Well, I use Twitter every once in a while, but
Okay.
I keep track of people using Twitter.
How many people are you following on Twitter?
Not many, like 7.
Okay. I'm following 70 or 80 people on Twitter. And pretty much everyone in San Francisco that I wish to know what they're doing in a given moment, I now do. Right? It is persistent, flexible IM presence, even if I'm not looking at my IM client.
Okay.
Right. That's the way it looks to me. So if I'm ever wondering what a particular person is doing, or if someone jumps up and announces that they are at the coffee shop 100 meters from my office, right? Now I have a mechanism for knowing.
Okay.
Right. I mean, in Berlin, it's Places, not Twitter, on many levels, right? Felix is great, but just it started off as a San Francisco local thing, and then it took off at South by Southwest in March, largely because everyone was inside bored because it was raining, so we weren't drunk in the streets. Right. If it hadn't been raining at South by Southwest in March, it's not quite clear that it would have grown as quickly.
Okay.
And Evan is, a local favorite in San Francisco, and Biz the same, the way Felix is in Berlin, right?
Okay.
So, we all grew up using Blogger.com in 1998. It was Pyra Labs and all that stuff, long before Google ever bought it. And so, the microblogging thing that Evan came out with, everyone tried it, right? And everyone in my social group is already on there, so it's very productive for me.
Okay.
And now I'm starting to have friends from out of town use it. Several, something like 200 people follow me, which I sometimes use to drive website traffic when there's something interesting going on, or particularly when something bad's going on that people need to know about.